everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing my video of new releases that are tugging on my no buy. Now let me just address something first. This is a channel of positivity. We are not going to be judgmental here. If you feel you need to be judgmental, just move along. Last one of these videos I was preached to basically and made to feel like I had done something major wrong because I did purchase one of the items that I showed last week. I broke my no buy, and the words that were spoken to me really upset me a lot, almost brought me to tears. And I want to thank all of you lovely ladies who stepped in for me and gave me words of encouragement that, you know what, it's just makeup. You know, no, I'm not taking food out of my family's mouths. We're not poor. I'm not starving. I'm not choosing whether to buy a $20 eyeshadow palette or some groceries. Please, that is not the case. My main reason for my no buy was because I have a ton of stuff. You guys have seen my inventory video where I list all the things I have. And I just feel like I need to use up some of the things that I have before I buy new items. But there are times when things come out that are limited edition, and I wanted that palette last week. I purchased that palette. There's something in this one. I purchased it. It's on its way. But I'm going to stay on my no buy unless it's something that I know I might not be able to get after my no buy is over. Something that really speaks to me. If I know I can get it after my no buy, I'm going to wait. But yes, I fell off my no buy wagon and purchased two things. So what? So it's not the end of the world. If you guys want to spend money, that's up to you. If you don't want to spend money, that's up to you. I'm not going to judge anybody for what you do, and I just ask for you not to judge me for what I do. Okay, now let's get started. Let's see, what should I start with first? Let me show you what I bought right here. The Selena Collection is out. I bought, let's see, well, let me tell you what's in it. First, 3 bullets, 2 lip pencils, retro matte lipstick, rose embellished skin finish, 2 lip glasses, and a makeup bag. So the lipsticks are, there's a frost that's inolivable. I don't know, probably just butchered that. It's a frost. Selena Viva? It's a cream sheen, and then Queen of Cumbia, which is a matte. And then there are the liquid lips, and that's what I purchased. I purchased Dame un Beso. So, I know something about a kiss. I'm sorry. I took 4 years of high school Spanish and lived with a Cuban family for 2 years in Miami, and I still can't speak Spanish. So, there you go. But yeah, Dame un Beso. I love that kind of a dark rosy shade. Just look at it on the lips and the swatches. I bought it. Now, I didn't buy anything else in this collection. I came real close to buying a lip gloss, and I looked at them and I told myself, I have glosses. And when I put one of the glosses I have on my lips and I put one of these on my lips, they're going to look exactly the same. And yes, it's Selena. That's part of the reason. But I don't need to buy a lip gloss just because it has Selena's name on it. So I skipped on those. I didn't buy a lip pencil. The eyeshadow palette did not interest me at all. Not at all. The skin finish did not interest me at all. It looks too golden. I think it would be too dark for my skin. I have a golden one already from Jeffree Star. I didn't feel like I needed it. And those lipsticks, I didn't feel I needed those either. The bullets, they look like a lot of the lipsticks I already have in my collection. So yeah, I bought that one liquid lip. It's on its way. Well, they ship, I think, on the 22nd or the 23rd. They are doing pre-sale. So if you head over to MAC's website, that's where I ordered it, from MAC's website, and see if you can still get into the pre-sale. I don't know if it's sold out or not, but if you want to check that out, go ahead. But yeah, I did. I bought that. All right, next. This next palette is Tugging on my No Buy. It's the new Natasha Denona Mini in Retro. The Mini Retro palette. I just love these colors. Absolutely love those shades. Those, let me see, like that mossy green, that matte, and then the shimmer and the peaches and the, it's $25. It's available now. You can get it at Sephora. So let's see. Galaxia is light nude with green and blue sparks. It's a dazzling neutral duochrome, like duochrome. Industrial green taupe with silver reflex. 60s is a greenish gray matte. Vintage taupe is antique rose matte. And Pixie is pink with a champagne shift. Yeah, I want this palette. It's $25. And starting April 17th is the Sephora sale. And if you, well, that, it starts the 17th for Rouge, which I am Rouge. And I can get 20% off of this. And I'm going to try to buy it for 20% off. And that would be cheaper than me waiting for my no buy to be over and then buy it. So I'm going to go ahead and purchase it. I'll let you guys know now. I guess these things are really tugging on my no buy, but yeah, that is the third thing I'm going to buy, and then I'm not going to buy for a while. That's what I say. If I had a magic ball and I could see into the future what's coming up in the months, then I could tell you for sure that I'm not going to buy anymore. I'm human, and eyeshadows make me happy, and right now I just want to be happy. I'm just like everybody else. So there we go. Next, this is tugging on my no buy, but this one I am going to wait. This is a new addition to the Tutti Frutti family in the Too Faced. This one is called the Papaya eyeshadow palette. Now, you know, I have the pineapple and I have the Razzle Dazzle Berry. I love these shades in this Papaya. I'm sure it smells yummy, and those shades are so pretty. Also, they have a new strobing bronzer. It's got the pineapple packaging. That bronzer highlight duo I don't want. That's too dark for me. I don't like a shiny bronzer. I don't mind like a little bit of a sheen in a bronzer, just a little bit. But I don't like a shiny bronzer, and definitely that gold highlight, I'm not going to be able to wear that. Not interested in that at all. But the eyeshadow palette I am. Now, my other two in this collection I did purchase when they went on sale. That's my plan for this one. It's going to be next year. Hopefully it'll go on sale and I'll grab it then. But for right now, I don't need to own it right this minute. But I will own it in the future, I think. But only if it goes on sale. Only if it goes on sale. And then last is a new line from Sol de Janeiro. Their stuff smells so good. This is a little, it's a set. You get a Coco Cabana Jet Set $25 mini must-haves. It's $25. Okay, you get the Coco Cabana Moisturizing Body Cream Cleanser. You get the Fragrance Mist and the Body Cream and the Moisturizing Body Wash. They're minis, all for $25. Available on their website. I do like that. I'm not going to buy it. If they still have it, something like that next year, I might pick one up because I really love the original scent. And I'm sure I would love Coco Cabana. I've not smelled Coco Cabana. But the little mini set is pretty nice. It's nice travel size, but no one's going anywhere right now. But it's really pretty. And in the future, I might purchase like maybe the body wash or something and give it a shot. But that's it. Kind of a short one. Yes, I did. I broke my no buy twice, and I'm telling you, I'm gonna break it a third time. And then the Papaya palette and the Sol de Janeiro things, I definitely might purchase in the future. So there we go. That's it. There's not a lot of things being released, so I don't know how often I'll have things, because everything that's been released does not tug on my no buy. Believe me, there's been a lot of things released that I'm just not interested in. That maybe the old me last year might have purchased, but the new me, I think more about my purchases and what I'm buying. And I may no longer be on a no buy, but I am definitely on a very strict, very particular what I buy. So there we go. So guys, again, thank you for watching. I hope y'all are staying safe and well. If you guys need anything from me, just leave it down below. Send me an email, whatever you need. I'm here for you. Even if you just want to chat, I'm here for you. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.